Okay. Here, yep.
There.
Here.
Here is book. A book
About, yeah.
about a dog. What's that say? And
A
frog. They played together.
Isn't
that funny? I like
reading
the story about the
different
seasons of the year. Did you?
Yep.
You know here there are 4 seasons. They are winter, spring, summer, and fall. Can you tell
something
about each
season?
Season 1. I hope that you like the
city,
dog,
country,
frog, love,